How to change name in Gcash on not verified account. So in order to change your Gcash account name and not in a verified account, then you'll have to follow the steps. First of all, go ahead and log into your Gcash account. In my case, I'm using a web browser. Either way, the procedures can remain the same. So when you open up or logged into your account, that's going to take you to the home page. Now, due to some geographical reasons, the following application is not available in my region, so I'm just going to instruct you. So basically, you have to go and log in, and when you're logged in, it's going to take you to the dashboard page. And from the dashboard itself, you have to go ahead and press on your profile icon. When you press the profile icon, then it's going to direct you to the profile settings page, where you'll be able to see your profile info, and under it you'll be able to see your name and all that. So go ahead and select the edit button, and when you press on it, it's going to pop up a small link stating that in order to change your name and date of birth, you have to press the link. So go ahead and press the link, and then it's gonna state about what sort of requirements are necessary and all that, and it will also be instructed on how you can go ahead and change your name in Gcash. So that's basically how you can change your name in Gcash on not verified account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.